Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview GLB Sequosal. What is GLB Sequosal? GLB Sequosal is a fast-acting sequestering agent which holds iron, manganese, copper, and calcium in solution so they don't react with other chemicals in the water. Using this product at pool setup and as part of a regular maintenance program will protect pool equipment, pipes, and fittings. Sequosal provides fast and effective protection against pool staining and scaling. Product benefits: protects pool equipment and surfaces from stains, scale, and rust. Compatible with chlorine, bromine, biguanide, ozone, and saltwater sanitizing systems. Usage directions: Sequosal can be added to your pool water at any time during the swimming season. It is most important to add Sequosal when your pool is returned to normal operation at the beginning of the season, when your pool is initially filled, or when adding makeup water. For more detailed instructions, please see the label. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.